वेलकम बैक अनदर वीडियो टुडे एंड दिस टाइम और एक टॉय लेके आ रहा हूँ. बॉट इट ऑन फ्लिपकार्ट ऑन अ सेल. इट्स अ बिग पैकेज बेसिकली. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज देयर इनसाइड. Guys, I'm opening this. Okay, and now you can see what is there. Okay, this is a 1:20 scale all-terrain RC vehicle. ओके अभी इसमें आप देखोगे तो बहुत सारे जगह पे बहुत सारे इलस्ट्रेशंस दिए हुए हैं. मेनी इलस्ट्रेशंस आर देयर on the one, so anyone you will get. So I have not got this one. I have not got even this one. Okay, maybe I've got it this one. Okay, I've got this one. This is the one. So Hummer H2 type of a scale model. Okay, and I've got this one. So let's see how it looks. Okay, this is the remote first of all. Okay, this is a kind of a remote we get. Okay, this one is the button and this one is the button. Two kinds of buttons, left and right wala. So this kind of remote we get. We'll see the car now. Okay, this is it. Wow, bright color it is, bright red color. जो कार्टन पे दिया हुआ है उससे अच्छा कलर है दिखने में. यू कैन सी सो ब्राइट इट इज. एंड इवन द monster wheels are also like red color. Okay, maybe somewhat flimsy but looks good. See, real kind of a suspension is there. Wow, looks superb. On off का button है. This is a suspension as you see over here. Okay, nice springs are there. Tires are also good. Okay, looks like a Hummer H2. Obviously not a licensed version, but looks like a Hummer H2. इसके साथ you get this charging cable and this battery pack. Okay, that is there inside the box. 2 AA size batteries you need over here. So इसमें भी 2 batteries डाल देते हैं. इसमें we'll put the battery pack inside the vehicle and then we'll see. Guys, now I have charged this somewhat. ज़्यादा चार्ज नहीं किया but I have charged somewhat. थोड़ा चार्ज तो इसमें होगा when it has come in the package. थोड़ा सा मैंने अभी इसको चार्ज कर लिया है and I'll just close this, attach and close. Now guys, you can see after putting the batteries, this is forward reverse, this is left right. Guys, इसको चला के देखते हैं. You can see how the response is. The remote is in my hand now. Okay, इसको this platform is small so I cannot make it run more on this platform, but you can see, you can have a fair idea how it works. The response time is good, feedback is good, left right it works. Okay, see how it goes. Nice it is. So we will have a closer look on the ground also. On the ground level you can see how it works. Okay, front, forward, reverse. Okay, this is left and right. Okay, and इसकी और एक चीज है, like this is a 27 megahertz frequency vehicle. So इसमें क्या है ना, I found it practically working with the other remote also. For example, this is the remote. Okay, ये remote है जिसके साथ ये काम कर रहा है अभी. You can see I've got it in this package. And now there is another remote. I'll show it to you. Okay, for this car. Okay, इसका another video. I have this another video of this car. Okay, you can go in my check in my profile. This is a Navigator RC car. और इसके रिमोट के साथ भी ये काम कर रही है. See, you can see. Works with this also. So you have options like working with the multiple remotes. So this car will work in multiple remotes. Superb. Speed is there. अभी मैंने इसको ज़्यादा चार्ज नहीं किया हुआ है. Still the speed is there. Okay. Response time is good. Direction change is also fast. You can see changes the direction pretty fast. Size also you can see on this. ये with compared to the other 2 RC cars I have. So that is the Navigator and this is the Audi R8 Lamo GT. दोनों का वीडियो मेरी प्रोफाइल में है. I have made separate video for these two. You can go and check in my profile. So you can see how the car looks in size in the proportion. थोड़ा सा बड़ा है उनसे. It looks like. But obviously These both have glowing lamps and other things. So जो इसमें नहीं है, but anyways, so guys, if you see the price on the box is around 2299, $2,300. Okay, लेकिन ये मुझे बिग बिलियन डेज में बहुत ही सस्ती मिली है, मे बी अराउंड 280 or $300. Can you believe it? Only 280 or $300 I've got it. So it's worth the price at this price point, and definitely worth buying and playing. Even for a bit higher price point also, this is worth the price. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.